Hi, I'm Mac. Yes, it's me again, Mac, the investor monkey, and today I am going to tell you how I discovered the biggest secret Americans have been keeping, the easiest and safest investment in the jungle of finance. And no, it's not buying bananas low and selling them high. It all started one boring afternoon after I lost a small fortune investing in Banana Coin RP. I was lying in my hammock, swinging slowly, looking like I'd just eaten a rotten green banana, thinking, is there any way to invest without triggering a full-blown panic attack? That's when he showed up. The old howler accountant, wearing a tie made of vines and carrying a folder stuffed with papers. He looked at me and said, Mac, it's time to stop gambling on jungle madness and learn from the humans. Ever heard of ETFs? ET what? I thought he was talking about aliens. I got suspicious. Is that like that banana from Pluto scam? But then he explained, an ETF is like a basket full of fruit. Instead of buying just one banana or stock, you buy a slice of a whole fruit salad made of the best fruits in the market. Ah, now that started to make sense. An ETF is a simple investment in the US that any monkey can understand. It's cheap, you can start with very little. It's diversified. If one fruit goes bad, the others hold strong. It's easy, you buy it just like a regular stock, straight from your brokerage account. And best of all, there's an ETF for everything. Tech, clean energy, ice cream companies, maybe even bananas, who knows? So I went for it, opened my account with a US brokerage with some help from the jungle's nerdy toucan, of course. I bought my first ETF called VU, which invests in the biggest companies in the US like Apple, Amazon, and I don't know, maybe even one that sells chimpanzee chow. And guess what happened? Nothing exciting, no explosions, no orangutan disappearing with my money, but every month my money grew, my chart went up, and I slept like a baby monkey, no fear of waking up broke. Investing doesn't have to be complicated, you don't have to know everything. But you do need to know where you're stepping or swinging. An ETF is the sturdy branch in the jungle of the market, simple, reliable, and perfect for beginners. So if you want to invest in the US without going full jungle crazy, pick a basic ETF, do your homework, and let time work its magic. I'm Mac, the investor monkey, and my tip of the day is go for a well-made fruit salad instead of a suspicious exploding banana. Subscribe to the channel, drop your grunt talk a like, and tell me in the comments, are you team banana coin or team healthy ETF? See you in the next video, or swinging from the next branch.